How's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the Cinema HD app to your Firestick or Android TV. The whole process is pretty easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And the very first step you gotta take is get the app called Downloader to your Firestick. You can actually get Downloader totally free of charge. To do so, we have to go to search on your Fire TV. And now in the search bar, you need to start typing Downloader. So let's do it. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So you click on it, and that's the app that you need to take and install to your device. But after you get Downloader, it's not over yet, because we still need to set it up. So in order to actually set up Downloader, what you have to do now is go to Settings on your Firestick. So let's do it. Click on the Home button on your remote, and then click on that button with the gear icon. After that, scroll down until you see My Fire TV. Let's open it. And now from here, what you need to do is turn on the developer options on your device. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Sticks, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that is the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's pretty easy to make them appear. What you have to do is go to About, open it, and now we have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. We need to do it fast and click on the middle button for 7 times in a row. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have popped out for us right here. Let's open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging, then you need to go to install known apps, and now from here, what you have to do is just locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally we have to go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here. We will open it, and there's the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Firestick. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And that's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Portugal right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So go straight to Downloader, open up the application, and just wait for it to load. And now, what we need to do next is open that search bar and enter the code, which is going to be 28907. So once again, the code is 28907. Make sure to enter it as you see, and then click on Go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you would get even more content about Fire Sticks. And when the app opens, not app but the website, you have to scroll down a bit until you see a list of categories. And now from the list, what you actually have to click on is the movies and TV category, so let's click on it. And then a pretty big list of apps is going to open. You just have to scroll down a bit until you find the Cinema HD app, which should be somewhere here. Oh yeah, we found it. So just click on Cinema HD. Let's click on it. Then an ad might pop up for you. If the ad pops out, just click on close, or in my case on X, to close down the ad. And then a new web page should open up for us. Here it is, and you also have to scroll down. And you need to keep scrolling until you see those download buttons. So let's click on download ad-free. And now the download of the app should start for us. Usually it doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. In my case, I got a pretty fast connection, so it shouldn't take us more than a couple of seconds. Then you have to click on install and just wait for the app to finally get installed on your Firestick. And after that, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you'll have an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way, you get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much free space available anyway. And now if you go to the list of applications on your Firestick, which is right here, we'll open it, and here's the Cinema HD app which we just installed. So now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way Cinema HD is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.